In this episode, I'm going to show you how to find your lost Android phone within 5 minutes. Immediately you realize your phone is missing, just get another phone or computer which has an internet connection. In your phone, locate your Chrome browser or any browser that you have and click it. In the address bar, type google.com and hit search. In the search engine, type find my device. Within the search result, pick this one. I'll also leave the link in the description. In case this is your first time using that phone, ensure that you are logged in inside your Gmail account. And in case you've forgotten your previous phone Gmail account password, watch this video. It will help you to recover your Gmail account password. From there, proceed to click on Find My Device. Automatically, the phone will synchronize your last location before the phone is missing. If your phone is connected to internet, you see the service provider's name here and the battery of your phone. A word of advice: anytime you buy a new phone, make sure you have logged in with your credentials inside the phone. If you are using an Android, anytime you visit your Play Store, before you are able to download any app on your Play Store, you'll be requested to sign in with your credentials. Make sure you keep these credentials safe. This will help you in this process. So once here, in case your phone is on silent before it's missing, you can play a sound. It will automatically start playing sound on the missing phone. So in case even the phone is on silent, the phone will automatically start playing the default sound prior to the phone gotten missing. And if this didn't help you, you can proceed to secure your device by leaving a message to the one who has found your phone, in case it's a thief or anyone that will find your phone in the future. So you can type in your message here: please return my phone. And you can provide an alternative number here and send it to the person. In case that also doesn't help and you just want to erase everything on your phone, you can proceed to erase. But in this case, when you erase your device, that means you will no longer be able to use this approach to get your phone back. In case you are using Samsung, I'm going to provide you an alternative. The alternative approach is to locate your settings, scroll down to locate biometric and security and click it. In here, locate find mobile and make sure it's turned on. From there, you can locate your browser. In the address bar, type findmymobile.samsung.com and hit enter. In there, you proceed to sign in. So if you are using a Samsung, also make sure that you have signed in into your Samsung phone once it's new and purchased. So you can enter your credentials here. So once signed in into this website, you'll be able to track the current location of your missing phone. You can proceed to also first ring the bell or lock the phone or track location here. You can also proceed to erase the data or backup or even extend your battery life. Please, a word of caution: in case you found yourself using this method, make sure to track this person alongside with a law enforcement agency. Don't go there alone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.